On the surface, XRP looks to be in big trouble. However, there is an underlying bullish signal happening right now, and I want to talk about that in this video. Because when it's all doom and gloom, there's usually something else happening that we're missing. And I'm always trying to find the bigger story that underlines just a chart. Because a chart changes, it ebbs and flows, obviously, right? But what's the bigger storyline here when we zoom out with the price of XRP? It seems as if we've been caught around this 50-cent range for far too long. However, there are some indicators telling us that this could be a good thing for XRP in the long run, and it could soon be flipping here for XRP. We're going to talk about why we think that, some reasons as it relates to the chart, technical indicators, and some of the on-chain data, all in this video. So if that sounds something that interests you, go ahead right now, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, guys. It definitely helps us out. YouTube will know that we're here when you guys smash the like button and drop comments on XRP telling me how you feel about the current state of the project. Definitely always love hearing from you as well. Without further ado, let's dive in and talk about the price, because we're sitting at just under 49 cents right now. We are actually down in the last year, less than 1% now, because we started the year, so a year to go today, we're at 48 cents. So basically we are back to where we were a year ago. Yes, we had the big pop back in July, but it was short-lived. So what's going on with XRP now? And when will we come out of this range, this 50-cent range, right? Well, it says XRP shows extremely bullish sign amid price downfall. Why though? Like, what's happening behind the scenes that we're missing? All right, so we're going to dive into that in this video. All right, so here we go. XRP, as we mentioned, actually below 50 cents right now. The volume, though, is on the decline. And on the surface, that's a bad thing, right? Like, volume's declining, that's not good. It's typically bearish, right? It suggests decreasing interest in the asset, like people are selling. However, in the context of a price that is also descending, this falling volume points to a lack of momentum for further downward movement. So volume has been sucked out of XRP right now. Basically, the bears are exhausted at this point, and it is the bears running out of steam and the bulls just biding their time until they take control here of the asset for a little while. If we take a look at the relative strength index, the RSI, this is a really good indicator for us to know if an asset is overbought or oversold. So when you're looking at TradingView, it's this bar right here. And this is a scale on one scale from 1 to 100 down here. The RSI is currently at 37. So usually anything below 30 is in the oversold territory. Usually you're going to get a reversal, meaning the bulls will come in. So we're getting dangerously close to coming down to this 30 level where the asset would officially be oversold when looking at the RSI metric. XRP is inching toward the zone, and there is a beacon of light once we get there, because I think bulls are just waiting to see if they can pick up more XRP at, say, I don't know, 45, 46 cents. And that's interesting because there's talk about 46 cents being the significant support level. So just maybe when we get down to the 46-cent level, the bulls will start to rush in. Given its historical performance in September, this is also a very key level. It's not just a number, but a psychological stronghold as well. It's a point at which the market has decided XRP has value. It's where the bulls and bears have tended to meet in the middle, and it's right around the point where bulls usually step in and take over. The point at which investors stepped in previously was right around this range. Now, what's crucial here, it says, is understanding the dichotomy of the situation. Yes, the price is falling. Yes, support levels have been breached, but the declining volume and the nearing oversold conditions on the RSI sets the stage for a reversal that could catch many off guard. It is always quiet before the storm, they say, the market drawing in a deep breath before it erupts. And I think that same thing can be said for all of crypto right now. We're waiting for some big data, of course, to come in. PPI today, CPI tomorrow. However, it's more than that. There's a lot of uncertainty and fear right now, but I do think the worst is behind us in the cryptocurrency market, and I think risk-on assets will have their day sooner rather than later. And I know it feels like forever, but hang in there. Patience is a virtue, my friends. And always, always, always hit that like button on your way out. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you. Take care.